We were back in the east part of Mexico in Playa del Carmen and the Caribbean Sea. These clips are actually from last year and now it looks very different, as you will see later in the video. It was a late morning and I was about to make some coffee on the stove where we had been staying.
Hello and welcome to another video. We are here in Playa del Carmen in the state of Quintana Roo and the east part of Mexico. Just a few minutes from the Caribbean Sea, and we have been invited here by PanamaSarah.com. Maria is drinking her coffee now and we are planning out the day, what we're gonna be doing. That's the question. The other day we swam with whale sharks. That was really nice. I got a bit seasick, but it was a good experience. So we're sitting here now and we don't really have a plan for the day. There's a bit of seaweed here now. The seaweed comes into Playa del Carmen usually in the summertime, June until September or so. And then you have some hurricanes. September, October, November usually.
You're an expert.
I'm an expert of the situation.
I got some milk from the fridge and thought I would go for a walk along the beach and the whole town.
I just got a glass of milk, really good, and here is the bedroom and a little balcony also.
It was quite nice just to hang out here, even if we didn't do much.
We also have a really nice bed here, but unfortunately we cannot try the bounce here. We don't want to break the bed here. So now we're going up to the top floor. This is actually a penthouse and the top floor is really nice, so let's check it out. Hello! So here is a really nice area. Got a toilet around here actually and a shower and also some water. Oh.
It was already the afternoon. I was getting a bit restless and wanted to go out and do something.
I might try to take a shower here later today. I think the coolest part also is this little, I don't know what you call this. Oh, we're going down! Hi, Maria!
Hello!
Well, what can we do? We have to go, maybe go out and explore a bit.
Maria wanted to take it easy today, but I walked down to the beach to film something.
So now I'm out here on the street and we're gonna be exploring a bit in Playa del Carmen and see what it looks like in 2021. There's actually a lot of seaweed on the beach now, as I've seen. So I'm gonna go over there and fly my drone. Last year when I lived here, the water was perfect. So it seems like the seaweed only comes some year. It comes every year, but some years way more than others. And this year apparently is really bad with the seaweed. So here we have the famous 5th Avenue. I think this is what Playa del Carmen is most known for. All these shops and streets and stores and lots of people. There are still a lot of things you can do here in Playa del Carmen. For example, the cenotes, really nice underground swimming holes that we are also going to be going to in the coming videos.
I had walked down to the beach. At first it looked really promising, but then I would see the brown water. The seaweed is formed in the summer months when the temperature is higher in the sea. Perhaps global warming and the high increase in sea temperatures is causing more seaweed than usual.
So as you can see, the water is really brown here now. Usually it's not like this. Usually it's crystal clear and blue, as you saw in the beginning of this video with the drone shots. But that is not the reality right now. However, we have the island of Cozumel over here that you might also know, but there is usually no seaweed at all there. So that's also good to know. You can take the boat over there here from this marina or a little, I don't know what you call that. You can take the boat out to Cozumel. It cost $8 or $10. I did it last year. really nice. Such a beautiful day, even though we have some seaweed here. I think I'm gonna actually walk now all through Playa del Carmen to the very end of the beach. There's a cenote there actually with crystal clear water that comes flowing from underground and up, and then it flows out to the water. So walking here on the beach, now we have mountains of seaweed here. Playa del Carmen is not what it used to be.
I had been spoiled in the year 2020 when I traveled the whole Caribbean coast of Mexico and everything was super untouched.
So there are still so many people here, all over. The beach is full of people, just enjoying their life. Yes. Okay, I'm here with Sierra and Elizabeth.
Hola!
And what are your friends' names?
Aliana.
Oi. Yes. From where?
New Jersey.
New Jersey. How do you like Playa del Carmen now, even though there's seaweed here?
We love it. Welcome to Playa del Carmen.
Yeah, we like it. I mean, you just have to go in a little deeper to not get any seaweed on you, but it's nice.
Met some people over here. They seemed happy to be here. So I'm on my way, as I said, to the end. It's gonna be a really long walk. I made it maybe 20% of the way, but I have decided that I'm gonna go all the way to the end, and this cenote, storm, rain, heartache and pain, we're gonna make it to the destination, just as I'm gonna reach 100,000 subscribers one day. It might take a long time, but it's gonna happen eventually. You have to stay persistent. So now I've been walking for probably 25 minutes and I still have a long ways to go. This place where I'm going to is way out of town. I have to take another way out because there was no way to go across the beach and into the other side of the beach. So we'll see. I have to go through one of the resorts here now. So it says I have 35 minutes left and I just heard the thunder over here. It doesn't look that dark, but I did hear the thunder. So I think I'm gonna put this big camera down in my backpack and take my GoPro and run over there. So I'm really far out of town now. I recorded a lot of clips, but everything I said happened to be a time lapse on this GoPro. So I got nothing of what I said. But I said that I passed some people on bicycle. I got deeper into the outside of Playa del Carmen, and that there's also a bunch of graffiti here. And I've been running for probably 10 minutes. Okay, I'm out on the beach again. There are also a lot of people here, but I didn't see any hotels over here. All the hotels are over there. You can see the little dock where I stopped.
I had run all the way across town and came out to a more open area. Here I would find a swimming hole with clean water coming up from underground, but of course it was packed with people because nobody wanted to swim in the seaweed.
Last time I was here, about a year ago, I was the only person there. I was totally by myself in the pandemic. This place is packed with people. Crazy how many people there are here everywhere, but it makes sense because you can't really swim in the seawater here, and this water is like cold and super clear coming from the underground. I was gonna jump in here, but there are too many people, so I'm gonna run all the way back and jump into the pool instead. So I'm running back now, and I'm gonna run all through Playa del Carmen now. So by the end of this video, you will have seen pretty much all the beaches and the long, famous 5th Avenue, because I'm gonna be running all through 5th Avenue. Oh, I ran about a mile or 1.6 kilometers from the water hole, swimming hole, and the beach. It's been about 2 miles, or it's been about 2 miles now. I'm still in the outskirts of Playa del Carmen. Got my drone and my camera in the back. Some water. 56th Street, 5th Avenue, look. (48th Street), and here on the 48th Street you start to see some stores and coffee shops. Here is 42nd Street, and this is also, now we see more and more of the stores and shops and restaurants. Look. Here is 38th Street, and now here's a huge Viva Mexico. (32nd Street), and starting to be packed with people here now. Here's Batman. Hello, Batman. You see, Playa del Carmen, I think, is back to normal after the virus. It's cool to see. I never saw it like this, even though I lived here for 4 months. Ooh, I ran a couple of miles now, I think. Maybe.
I took a shower and jumped into the pool. It was so nice to cool off after my long run. I have arrived back and I found Maria again.
I was never lost.
Yeah, you were here the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also chugged a bunch of water after my long run. Hopefully we're gonna go out and eat something here also a little bit later.
I'm gonna mess up.
I'll do it.
Here. Wait.
Oh, not bad.
Oh! Man, I used to be so better. My brother taught me to juggle. He's actually a really good juggler, my brother.
I had to put on another shirt actually because the other one was wrinkly, but I have my little trick to get it straight. This is gonna make it straight real quick. I have a new hairstyle.
Wait. You look like Freakazoid.
Who's that?
This is totally Freakazoid.
Who's that?
It's like, it was this old cartoon show.
My shirt looks perfect and I have a new hairstyle also. Perfect.
I'm gonna come back in the 2024 election, but first I have to reinstate my Twitter account. I will be filing a lawsuit against Mark Zuckerberg and all social media.
So I came up here to the top floor to end this video. It was probably not the greatest video, but if you make many videos, not everything can be great. In the next video, we're gonna be doing something more exciting. Go to an island, I think, outside here. In the Caribbean Sea. Please also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and let me know what you think about this video, and also leave this video a thumbs up. But see you next time, my friends.